This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can check the firmware version as well as check for firmware updates on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app, then open settings. Here, select the about category, and here is your aircraft firmware version. And if you would like to check for firmware updates for your drone or aircraft, press the check for updates button. Now, if the new firmware version is available, you can press the update button, and from here just install the update. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.